Hey everyone, Chris here, the Country Manager for Australia. Today I'm going to be walking you through one of our latest products that we've just launched on the Australian catalogue. It's called Bill Fairies. Bill Fairies allows you to pay up to 21,000 different bills using crypto and using the Bitrefill service. So if you just head over to our website or your app, depending on where you access Bitrefill, head over to gift cards and you'll see Bill Fairies is listed in our featured products section. So you can click on that there and you can view what Bill Fairies is. But essentially anything that you can pay using BPay in Australia, you'll be able to use Bill Fairies for. So when you're on the product page, you'll notice this little disclaimer here mentioning about the sender fee of 3.3%. So what we've done here is we've automatically added that into your gift card. So you can see if you wanted to say get a $10 gift card for Bill Fairies, we've added in the 33 cents. So when you take that straight over to the Bill Fairies platform, you'll get a clean $10 there. The fees will already be removed for you, so there won't be any funny business there. So today I'm just going to buy a $10 gift card just for this tutorial. Click on that, add to cart, head to the checkout as you normally would. Select your payment option. In this instance, I'm going to use the Bitcoin balance I already have in my account, but you could certainly use any of the other options listed here. Finalize everything looks correct. Once you've verified that, you can hit confirm payment. Should be a second or so while it delivers. There you go. Now it's delivered, so you can hit the click to unseal, which will reveal your gift card code. Claim your gift card. As you can see, that's the $10.33 Bill Fairies e-gift card. Hit next. And just close this window if you don't have an account. And essentially your gift card number is here. So we can copy that. What we can then do is head over to the Bill Fairies website, which is billfairies.com.au. If you're a first-time user, you will have to make an account with Bill Fairies. It's quite straightforward. You'll only have to give them your name, address, and perhaps date of birth. But other than that, there's no strict KYC. If it's your first time using it, you'll want to head over to the Redeem a Bill Fairies gift voucher. So you can click on this button or Redeem in the top menu. You scroll down, it's quite simple. Enter your voucher code, create an account, and start paying bills. So you can hit your code into there, hit next. I'm already logged in, so I just have to hit submit to redeem my voucher, which will then be loaded into my account. Cool, so if we head over to pay a bill now, we'll notice that I've got $20 in my balance account here. I already had $10 prior to this, so I've just added another 10 to it. And then it's easy as that. So depending on what bill you want to pay, whether that's your electricity, your credit card, your gas, whatever that might be, your bill, your invoice will have all this information listed on it. So you just enter the biller code here, the customer reference number, and the exact amount of how much you want to pay for your bill. Hit next, and Bill Fairies will take care of the rest. So there it is. Paying your bills using Bitrefill and crypto. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Please let us know if you do try this. Reach out to our social media channels or via email. We'd love to hear your feedback, and we'd love to hear how we can potentially improve on this as well. Thanks everyone.